friends, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I'm sitting down today, I have my glasses on. We have a very important video. I am showing the new TLP newly released 11, that's a lot of words that don't make sense, 11 new piggies being released. I'm so excited. Okay, I wanna go through them all and then maybe talk about possible color combos to go with them because they're really fun. Let's start with Vinyasa. It's a it's like an indigo-y color. So I did each one on a black and on a white. Well, not really white, but you see what I mean. It is so pretty, like a deep grayish blue. Okay, Vinyasa. Excellent. Let's go. This is another fun one. This is Gilded, a gorgeous gold. It's just like not too warm, not too dark, super beautiful gold, okay? Now we have, now this is a funny word. This is called Zimzelen, and it's made for Fiona, and it's Slovenian for periwinkle. Ooh. So it has like a bluish, purplish color to it. So pretty. Okay. Let's go, I'm gonna save my favorite one for last. Let's go with Cottontail, which is this like kind of grayish pewter color. Really nice. Okay, I have so many ideas with these combos. Okay, this one is Chiffon. Is it Chiffon? Yes, I think it is. Really soft. It's kind of like a champagne, basically champagne. So there, it's like a silvery warm. Okay. Then we have pumpkin pie. Really intense. It's like a warm, it's warmer than copper. It's like a reddy copper. Okay. Now, this is Mo's new favorite color, not mine. Luck. I never have good luck with these greens, but I do have a couple of good ideas. Oh, Sneakers is mad. Someone's at the door. Okay. Then we have a Limeade. Okay. Really pretty, like, it's kind of like a yellowy green, like a warmish green. Okay. Then we have Birds of Paradise. Now, it's a really beautiful orange. There's a really nice sparkle to it. It's nice. It's nice, right? Okay, last two. This one's really cool. It's a super shifter. I'm gonna try to get the shifting on the camera. It's really hard, okay? This is called Algae, or as they say in Australia, Algae, which I just can't get on board with. So it appears in the bag blue. When you get it down, it goes from green to a really beautiful pink. I'm gonna try, oh, yeah, you saw it, right? Can you, it goes to really pretty pink. It's hard, yeah, there we go. Look at that. Do you see? Pink, green, pink, green. Really cool, right? Okay, then my new favorite one, I think, is an interference. Now you know how I love my interferences, and it is called Aquamarine. it dries so like, look at how intense it dries, just like that. So it appear, you know, interferences appear white, which you can't, but then over a dark base, but even over like a light base, you can see it, but definitely over dark colors, and it dries super intense. Okay, so those are the new colors. What are we gonna do with them? Some of them are really easy to work with because they're so beautiful. My next video on Saturday, I'm gonna use Aquamarine, Vinyasa, and Zimzelen together because blues, easy. Let's talk about what I would do maybe with Luck and Limeade, okay? Let me put the camera down. Now, of course, there's hundreds of colors you can do, but I just figured some people like to buy the whole new set, so it would be fun to kind of play around with what you could use together, maybe. Okay, so we have Luck here. You know, it's not horrible for me. I know some people are so excited about it, but you know how I have a hard time with greens. Okay, so I have Luck. Now, I don't have a lot of tubies. I mean, I have 1,000 tubies mixed up, but not necessarily specific ones I would use. But let's go with Luck, Limeade. And what I was thinking with these colors is a nice magenta. Let's start. This is just a regular magenta. I'm just gonna I didn't clean my spoons. This is just like I'm just gonna swatch them for fun. You know what I mean? To get some ideas. This will help me too. Okay, so we have the magents, okay. Then we have some Luck dripping everywhere. And Limeade. Now, obviously you would need more colors, but I like where we're going. You know what would be really nice is a light teal, perhaps. Let's see. I hope you guys can see how fun these are. All right, and a bit of a light teal. Yeah. Okay. Right? That's kind of a fun little combo. I might even add if I wanted to make it darker, I might even add a Diox purple to it. But I'd want a cool color purple rather than like a violet-y purple, because I'd like to keep it cool. Let's just see it for fun. You may not, it may, you know, but this combo would definitely pop, I think. Yeah. Okay. So take it or leave. This is really fun, mixing and matching. If you just ignore the turquoise, that would look really nice. Ignoring the purple would look really nice, but some really fun options with those ones. Okay. Off to a good start. We got the green ones out of the way. Some of them are easier to work with than others because they're so universal, Gilded really can be used with anything, but I can't find it up here. Let's just do some Gilded. It's so pretty. Here, let's turn the wheel. Okay. It's super rich. Okay, we'll put it down in the middle. Yeah, you know? You know what I mean? You could go blues, you could go purples, you can go whatever you want, really. You can go greens. This is just, this looks like cobalt teal to me. I just kind of grabbed random things that were laying around, so I don't always know what they are. But, oh, you know what? This looks like phthalo turquoise after I mixed it up a bit. So let's just, for funsies, you know, it would look really nice here. Okay. Ooh. And then I have this light blue. This looks like, could be Amsterdam sky blue. Let's see when I mix it up. Or it could be a custom blue that I made just with like phthalo turquoise and a bit of white. But look at that. Ooh, already we're loving it, right? And then even if you wanted to put in some chiffon would look nice, or Cottontail is a little too, for this, it's a little too grayish. Of course, Zimzelen would look nice. And of course, let's put the Vinyasa down for you. Vinyasa would look nice. Yes. Vinyasa. Vinyasa. I kill myself. Right? And then of course you can throw in a little something here or there. But yes, Vinyasa, right? Okay, I like where we're headed with this. Gilded goes with anything. So does Vinyasa, but Gilded for sure can be a staple. All right, what else do I want to do? I guess I can, okay. Yes, I know what I'm doing next. Okay, we're gonna do Cottontail. The one that I would have a hard time with, not hard time, but I rarely use these warm colors. Need more stir sticks. So let's do Pumpkin Pie, right? Because I just saw something that I think I liked. Pumpkin Pie, and I mean, if you wanted to go all metallics, obviously with Gilded would look nice. But let's layer it down anyways. It's a very red, like warm, reddish copper, right? Okay, so what I saw, the way that I would probably do it, is that with chiffon, because we're keeping it warm, chiffon's quite warm. Okay. Yeah, already a yes. For me, anyways. Like, these two colors play very nicely together. Okay, now, if you wanted to knock it back a bit, originally I saw this. It depends if you want to keep it all warm, but it would look nice with this. I'll do a little bit on top for you. Okay, right? It kind of like breaks it down and makes it cooler. Or if you wanted to keep it warm, what would I do to keep it warm? What tubies would I use? Okay, so the only warm one, I'm not 100% loving it, but this is the only kind of warmish color I have. I might have made this. This is a reddish purple. So it could be some sort of violet, but it's quite warm. And that, that definitely goes too. I don't know if I would put the cool gray with the warm, but you get the picture if you kind of just eliminate the gray. Very nice warm color combo. What else do we have to work with? Okay, Bird of Paradise. Actually, that would have looked nice in this one. For me, orange and magenta. I'll just put it here. I don't want to get this guy so confused, but it has a really nice sparkle to it. So like I would put it like right here. Okay, and eliminate the purple. But for me, orange, magenta, and green, and the turquoise is kind of a winner, right? That's probably the only way I would use it, but that's just because it's harder for me to use oranges and greens actually in general. What are we missing? Well, I didn't show you Aquamarine or Zimzelen. I'm doing that on Saturday. Oh, the algae. So you have to remember with the algae, it's showing up blue, but remember how intensely green and pink it becomes, right? So, you know what would be cool? This is a green I made. Now, you know the only greens I like are like dark, cool greens, right? So this could be my shadow green that I usually use, or phthalo green with black. Okay, I love this color, right? And then if you do, you know, I like to do pops of color. So if you keep it in a cool green family, but add it on top, you'll see as it stretches out and dries, you'll have that pop of pink and green in there. What else could you do with that? You can definitely put a blue. I think this is indigo. Let's see. I have a lot of little sticks everywhere here. You definitely do a blue if you wanted. You could do a teal, and then you'd get that just like fun pop of pink. Which this light, of course, you can't see, but I promise it's there. Let me see if I can pull this down. No. Oh, maybe. Okay. Did I do them all? I did Limeade, pumpkin pie, aquamarine. I didn't do aquamarine. I'm gonna do that next week. Luck, Gilded, Algae, Cottontail, Vinyasa. Yes. Okay, we basically, fine. I'll pour out the Zimzelen. Oh, lights are falling on me. Okay, hold on. I'll pour out the Zimzelen and aquamarine for you. They're just killer. And then I think we kind of have a good idea if you wanted to buy a couple and then mix them together about what you could use. So pretty. This again, you can go with an indigo, deep blues, like look at how pretty that is. Okay, right? Oh, you can't see the aquamarine right now, but trust me, you saw it dry. So here, I hope this helps. I know it's just like a quick little thing, but I just kind of grabbed whatever I had to inspire you if you decide to buy any of these, what you can do with them. I do have a few winners. Let me know which ones are your winners. So we have Bird of Paradise, Luck, Limeade, Gilded, Vinyasa, Cottontail, pumpkin pie, Chiffon. It's hard to remember them all. Algae, Zimzelen, Aquamarine. Whew. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one you're gonna buy, and I hope this helped you make your decisions. Have a good day. Bye. Here's the algae for a better angle of how pink it gets. Green. And pink. And green. And turquoise. And then pink.